I am HVAC repair guy, and I have 17 years of field experience in the HVAC industry after my time as a nuclear power electrician, and I translate the technical specs into real-world advice you can actually use. Today, we are breaking down two heavy hitters in the premium category, the Lennox Merit ML17KC2 and the Luxaire Acclimate AL19. Starting with the build, cabinet protection is your first line of defense against the elements. The Lennox ML17KC2 features a true louvered coil guard, which is the gold standard for protecting those sensitive fins from hail or debris. The Luxaire AL19 uses slotted panels. In the field, I've seen these perform better than a flimsy wire guard, but they still don't offer the same impact resistance as a full louvered cabinet. If you have kids playing ball in the yard or live in a storm-prone area, that Lennox cabinet is a significant advantage. When we look at efficiency and tech, the Luxaire AL19 is the clear leader with a SEER2 rating of up to 18.25. The Lennox ML17KC2 follows closely at 17.0 SEER2. As an electrician, I focus on the compressor tech because that's where the power is pulled. Both of these units use two-stage compressors. This technology is great because it reduces the initial inrush current by starting in a lower stage first. This means a softer start that is easier on the electrical components and provides better humidity control. For the price comparison, the Lennox ML17KC2 condenser generally retails between $3,500 and $4,700 for the equipment alone. A full professional installation typically ranges from $5,700 to $9,500. The Luxaire AL19 equipment is slightly higher, often found between $4,000 and $5,000, with a full installed price range of $5,000 to $8,000. You're paying for higher efficiency and advanced sound dampening tech with the Luxaire. Before the final word, here is your maintenance tip. Always check your condensate drain line. In the warranty battle, both brands offer a standard 10-year parts warranty. Luxaire takes the lead by offering a lifetime compressor limited warranty on the Acclimate series, whereas Lennox provides a 10-year compressor warranty for the Merit series. The verdict? I am declaring the Luxaire Acclimate AL19 the winner. While the Lennox has the superior cabinet protection, the Luxaire wins the long game with a higher SEER2 rating and a lifetime compressor warranty. For a homeowner's bottom line, knowing you never have to pay for a compressor again is the ultimate peace of mind in this matchup. Shop like a pro by using our head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the link in the description or the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.